back, folks. We got a beautiful little Jeep for you today. Check it out. 2012 Jeep Liberty. This is a super nice one. It's a one-owner car. Excellent Carfax on it. No accidents. I don't believe it has any paint. It's a Latitude edition with the chrome package. Factory trailer tow pack on this truck. Ice cold air. Heated leather seating. Got the infotainment system in it with satellite radio, auxiliary line in, USB port. Nice raised whites on this car. Great tires, they're brand new. Doesn't appear it's ever been smoked in. Solid truck. Switch off four-wheel drive, leather wrapped wheels, steering wheel controls, power memory seat on the driver's side, embroidered seats. Great truck. These are reliable as all, rugged, dependable, decent ride on them. And this one is for sale. Already service and safety inspected, ready for the road. On this particular vehicle and a guaranteed credit approval program, we can get you done somewhere around $795 down. That's a starting down depending on the customer. Easy to find out. A couple paycheck stubs required, and we'll get you done. Come on out to DasCleveland.com, 5333 Lorraine Avenue. Let's take a look at it. Fire it up. Thunder run it down the road. See if it's the right fit for you. Bring some paycheck stubs, a big old smile, and get a free Carfax. Get approved and get rolling in your new Jeep. DasCleveland.com.